Hi, welcome to Mississauga, my brand new listing here at 5509 Durie Road. I am very excited to bring you this house, and there's so much I want to talk about. First, I want to talk about the neighborhood. We're just a few minute walk to downtown Streetsville and Queen Street, lovely little shops. We're about a 2-minute walk to the Credit River and some of the best walking and biking trails in all of Mississauga. Great schools, great local parks, Vic Johnson Arena. It's a perfect place for families. But beyond that, we have a fantastic house. Original owners who have meticulously maintained and updated this house, around 3,300 square feet, 4-bed, 4-bath, with a fully finished basement, with a kitchen and a separate staircase. So if you wanted an in-law or a nanny suite, it's perfect for you. You know what, I'm gonna tell you a lot more about this house on the tour. Let's go for a tour. The grand 2-story entrance welcomes you into this spectacular home. The living and dining room feature a large bay window, crown molding, hardwood floors, and a great place to play the piano or entertain large gatherings. The family room has a custom gas fireplace with surround, pot lights, bay window, hardwood floors, and California shutters. The large kitchen comes complete with granite countertops, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, pot lights, and a large area to eat in with your family, and access to the backyard with the large sliding door. The laundry room is conveniently located on the main floor and was renovated in 2018 with quartz countertops, built-in storage, and front-load LG washer and dryer. The main floor bath was renovated in 2017. The principal bedroom is impressive in size and features a large 5-piece ensuite, walk-in his and her closets, and plenty of room for a sitting area or extra storage. The second, third, and fourth bedroom are all substantial in size and feature large closets with closet organizers, large windows, and Berber carpets. The basement has many impressive features. Large recreation room with gas fireplace, pot lights, and laminate floors. A games area perfect for the kids with laminate floors and pot lights. The basement also features a full-size kitchen and living room, perfect for a nanny or in-law suite, and has separate staircase from the garage and laundry area. The driveway has parking for 4 cars and was repaved in 2022, along with the front interlocking stones. The owners have made many improvements, including replacing the roof in 2021, furnace, AC, and humidifier in 2018, attic insulation in 2018, and replaced both garage doors. I hope you enjoyed the tour here today at 5509 Durie Road. I told you, this is one impressive home and one fantastic neighborhood. If you want more information or you want a private tour, give me a call, send me a message. I'll be happy to provide that information or take you on that private tour. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax and have yourself a beautiful day.